Hi there. So as an update, Jason and I now live in Colorado. And this morning we're going to Rocky Mountain National Park and we were going to leave at 6:30. We've managed to come back to the apartment because Jason is wearing the wrong shoes or something, which is fine, but I'm going to be very disappointed if there's no parking at the trailhead. Anything else we forgot?
My brain.
You forgot your brain. That's not allowed. We're here at Rocky Mountain National Park, but there's no parking at Bear Lake, so now we have to take the bus. And now we're hiking to Loch Lake, and now it's 9:30 already. The hike is short and flat, which we haven't done a lot of those, right?
That's correct.
It's water. Everybody loves the water. I think it's gonna rain. Do you think it's gonna rain?
I think it's gonna rain.
This doesn't look good. Ay, 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 ay. I would say drizzle. We have drizzle. Okay, this is the lake we were trying to go to. So fun. It's great. We're having a great time.
Great, absolutely. This is probably the most fun I've ever had.
I think we're past the drizzle at this point, but it's at least not pouring yet.
It's cold.
Okay, bye. Okay, we're back in the car, and we got very wet because it rained a lot, and I just thought my phone died, so then that was scary, but now it's fine. Okay, well, I hope we don't hike in the rain again, because I didn't really love that.